this video, we'll guide you through the process of laying porcelain tiles in a classic herringbone pattern. Before you start tiling, it's important to check if your tiles are rectified or unrectified. If they are unrectified, we would recommend a larger grout join to accommodate the variation of sizes between tiles. Start by finding the centre of your surface and marking it with a pencil. A simple cross is ideal. Next, take one of your tiles and use a square to find its centre, penciling a clean 90-degree angle at the top. This tile will act as your key reference when you begin laying. Before you start fixing anything in place, dry lay the herringbone pattern to check your widths and ensure the layout feels balanced. When you're ready, mix your adhesive. We recommend Keracol H40 gel for the best performance. Using a 6mm square notch trowel, spread the adhesive with vertical strokes to achieve maximum coverage. Begin laying your tiles using that first penciled tile to set the pattern accurately. Place 3mm spacers between each tile. A quick note, make sure all of your tile boxes are opened and mix tiles from each box as you go. This helps achieve an even blend of tones and patterns. Once everything is laid, wipe down the tiles with clean water and allow them to dry fully. When it's time to grout, use Fugabella Colour 43 from Keracol. Mix it according to the instructions and spread it evenly across the tiles. Allow the grout to dry, then wash off the excess. You'll need to do this several times to achieve a clean finish. Porcelain tiles don't require sealing as they absorb just 0.5% of water. This makes them an excellent low maintenance choice for bathrooms and many other areas throughout the home.